Hey guys, what's up? What is going on? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to prepare rice, and don't mind the background noise. So into a bowl that has a strainer, I'm gonna be adding 1.5 cups of rice. So of course, you can see that I've already messed up the recipe. So you're just gonna need 1.5 cups of rice because I was preparing rice for only 3 people. And then I'm gonna wash that 2 to 3 times, and of course it's only advisable to wash your rice up to 3 times. Don't wash until the water is clear. Again, you'll have gotten rid of all the starch in the rice. And now this is a pro tip. If you're working with long grain rice, 1 cup of rice is equivalent to 2 cups of water, whereas 1.5 cup of rice is equivalent to 3 cups of water. Do the math, you'll get it. So add oil into the water, not the boiling water, into the water, and some salt, and let the water boil. Add in your rice. And when that is done, give it a little bit of stir so that the rice is well leveled. So that the rice is well leveled, like so. And then, since the water at this point is too much, don't cover your rice immediately, it will pour. Let your rice boil a little bit so that the water is a little bit reduced, and then you can lower the heat and cover the rice so that it can cook with the steam. Now when that is happening, you can check on your rice once in a while so that you make sure that everything is okay. The water is like disappearing, if we call it that, and the rice is cooking as well. So you can repeat the process just to make sure that everything is okay. You don't want to cook burnt rice because no one will eat that. And long grain rice takes up to 18 minutes to cook, so you can also take note of that. And that would be it from me today, guys. Let me see you in my next video. Till next time, bye.